Alright, you guys, I have discovered like an amazing dupe that's gonna save you guys a ton of money. So you guys should just go ahead and listen in to see what this dupe is. And I'm just gonna tell you right now, the reason I know foundation on is because I found a dupe for a primer, which, you guys, long time coming, but I actually found a dupe for a primer. I don't know if someone else has made the connection, but I sure have. So here is the Becca backlight priming filter primer. It is a luminous primer, and here is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Dewy Luminous Base. So I got this to do a Wet n Wild full face tutorial, and I was putting it on and I was like, oh my gosh, this looks and feels just like my Becca one. And then I did them side to side. I was like, yes! Because this is $5 and this is like, I think $38. It's really expensive. It's like $38, I think. So expensive. Exact same thing. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys. I have already done my eyes for the day, but I'm gonna go ahead and prime my skin for you guys. So here is what the Becca one looks like. It kind of has like a pigment to it, looks a little bit like a foundation. I'm going to take a sponge and I'm going to apply it to one side of my face. And it's giving off like a luminous finish, if you can see that. A little more. Because I decided to be bougie and use a sponge to apply a primer. That was a mistake. So super luminous on that side, and it has like this beigey, it really looks like a highlighter. And then I'm going to show you what the Wet n Wild one looks like right next to it. So I had that same like skin tone type of deal. And then I'm just going to apply some of it here so when you put them side to side, oh yeah, they are identical, you guys. And literally a fraction of the price. And I'm just gonna go ahead and blend them with my fingers. Because I really like the Becca one, because I'm like, I've never seen a primer like this one. Like, is my L'Oreal Lumi primer that I loved for so long wasn't even like comparable. And now Wet n Wild has come out with this one, and it's actually more luminous. Like, it just, you see that? It just looks better. So it's basically like a better than dupe. It's just insane to, do you guys see this? Like, that is insane to me. I'm gonna go ahead and apply some foundation, just so that you can see that after you apply foundation, it still looks the same. So yeah, let me go ahead and do that. I'm also trying out this Becca Ultimate Coverage Complexion Foundation right here. I got this from Octoly. I'm gonna talk about this in another video. I'm gonna do like a wear test, but for now, I'm gonna go ahead and apply it with the sponge. So if you have normal to dry skin and you want that dewy look, and maybe you want to try the Becca one, don't even bother now, because the Wet n Wild is there. They have your back. They came through and they created something that was better and way more affordable. Seriously, Wet n Wild is just like killing it. They have quickly become a lot of people's top drugstore brand. Here's what it looks like with foundation over top of it. So you see that just glowy cast underneath. I hope that the camera is picking it up because like in person, like my skin just looks so radiant without looking oily. I don't know, it just looks so good. I'm very pleased with the primer, and now I never ever have to repurchase that Becca primer. Again, of course when we use it up, but I don't have to repurchase it, and I am okay with that. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and finish off the rest of my face. I just had to take off the denim thing. I try to look like, you know, I was wearing a different outfit to look like I'm filming these on different days. I'm not, you guys. Most of the time I'm filming 2 or 3 videos at a time, and then I don't film for like a week and a half, and then I film 2 or 3 videos at a time. So sorry if you're seeing my Mickey Mouse shirt again. But look, this shirt is awesome. Let's just accept it, and we're gonna move on. Anyway, so yeah, that is the dupe I had to show you guys. It's actually like better than a dupe. So this is like $38. This is like $5 or $6. Exact same thing. In fact, this side is better. They look the same. They perform the same. They just, like, let me just show you little dollop swatches again. Like literally, they are the same stinking, like even like if I was to close my eyes, they literally feel like the same. Identical, you guys. It's crazy. So don't waste your money on the Becca one. It's a really good it's a really good primer if you have normal to dry skin and you want a luminous look, but don't spend the $38 when you can just run right over to Walmart or CVS, Walgreens, what have you, and spend $5 or $6 and get the exact same thing. In fact, let me see how much product. Okay, so the amount of product in the Becca one is 30 milliliters, and you have 25 milliliters in this one, so it's just a smidgen less, but you can get like 6 of these for like 5 or 6 of these for the price of one of these. So don't waste your money on getting the Becca one. So that is everything for this video. I know it's like super short, but I just want to show you guys this amazing dupe that I discovered a few days ago. So yeah, I hope you guys want to check it out. And if you already knew about this dupe, let me know. I'm not sure. I'm going to see if anyone else has figured this out, because this is a really cool find in my opinion, and I'm super excited about it. So because you guys know I love saving the dollar. So that is everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any other dupes that you have discovered, let me know so I can check them out and test them out for you guys. And yeah, I think that's everything. So if you're new to my channel, I want to thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you want to stick around for my other videos by hitting that subscribe button and hitting the little bell next to it so you miss any of my uploads. Oh, I miss the good old days of YouTube. Anyway, so that is everything. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, and I will see you guys in my next